There you go. Got him. Oh, he feels good. He feels good. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't come off, baby. Don't come off. Don't come off. Keep the stay on. Come on, baby. Stay on. Where are you? Stay on. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's the same one I caught last year. Oh my God, look at that big old boss. It's the same one I caught last year. Oh, look at that thing. It is the same one. Look, it has the same mark. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, yes. Oh, dude. Oh, look. Look at that tail. Bro, look at that thing. Caught this fish last year. And also same time as last year, around April, beginning of April. It's awesome. Dude, that thing was sick. On that mini slammer. Oh, let's weigh this bad boy. Oh my God. Last year it weighed about 4 pounds, 12 ounces. Looks a little bit bigger, if not the same. Look at the tail's all bloody. So I'm splashing around over there. Alright, let's see. £5 pounds, 6 ounces. Alright, let's weigh it again. Clear. 0. £5 pounds, 6 ounces. It's fucking sick. Let's see. $5.7. I'll take that. Well, you know what? Let's measure one more time just to get it. Third time's the charm here. Gotta hurry up so I can put her back in the water. Hold on, let me clear it. Clear. $5.7. There you go, folks. $5.7 on the mini slammer. I upgraded the rings and the hook. Oh man, that's beautiful. Take this off. Let me show you folks. There she is. 5.7 on the mini slammer. On the mini slammer right along the bank. I saw her splashing around. Oh my God, look at that thing. This is the same fish I caught last year. It's freaking crazy. Here you go. Home. Just got this 5 pound, 7 ounce bass on this mini slammer, pink bass pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and let her go. I caught this fish last year on a topwater bait as well. That's freaking awesome. Here she goes. Boom. There she goes. Back to her bed. Sick.